Those images were created using a completely free text-to-image generation platform that offers unlimited generations, no credits, no sign-up, nothing. I mean, this is mind-blowing. Let's check it out. So the platform that we're using for this image generation process is CapCut. So if you don't have CapCut installed on your Windows PC, all you need to do is to come to this website, capcut.com, download and install the software. So once you've installed CapCut on your PC, all you need to do is to come to where you have this AI image tab. Now, if you will watch this video till the end, I've got an amazing bonus for you. Yes, I'm going to show you how you can use all of CapCut's Pro features for free. So you'll be presented with an interface right here where you can put in your prompt, right? Now you ensure that your model is set to image 4.0, right? In case you see 3.0, that's not the one we're going to be using, all right? So ensure you have the latest model, that's the 4.0 powered by Dream. Right. Now your aspect ratio, you can set it to whatever aspect ratio, right? You can set it to 16.9, 1.1, 916 or whatever, but I'm just going to set it at 16.9. That's the YouTube thumbnail dimension. Right. So next up, I'm going to paste in a couple of prompts. So these are some of the prompts we're going to be using for this video, right? So I'm not going to start with this. Copy a futuristic city in 3D. Right, so I'm going to go back to my CapCut. So right here where it says describe your image, right? This is where we're going to be posting our prompt. So I'm going to Ctrl V to paste. And then I'm going to come down here and click generate. So you can see right here that our image is being generated, right? So you're just going to give it a few minutes. And voila, this is the image that this platform, CapCut text to image generation platform, just gave to us, right? And as you can see right here, you have a couple of options, 4 options. So you can just go through these 4 and see which one connects more with you. So let's try another prompt, right? So I'm going to go back to my prompt screen, right? So I'm just going to go to the thumbnail that you saw on this video. Let's create it, right? So I'm going to go back. I've copied the prompt. So let me go back to my platform, right? I'm going to Ctrl V to paste this, and of course you just go right ahead and click regenerate right here. So let's wait and see the results that we'll be getting. And yes, so these are the results we got, and as you can see, I think they are pretty consistent because it's pretty much the same thing you saw on the thumbnail of this video. So I think that's one thing about this CapCut text image platform. They generate pretty consistent images, right? So I think this is cool, right? So let's do one more, right? So let's go into my prompt. So I'm going to copy. So this is the prompt for an NFL scenery, right? So I'm going to copy this. So let's go into interface once again. Ctrl A, Ctrl V to paste, and then I'm going to click regenerate. Now, one thing about this platform is that, like I said earlier, it gives you unlimited generations, right? So there are no limits to the number of images you can create, right? So you can just go ahead creating, right? So that's one of the beauty about this platform. But I don't know how long this is going to be for, but just enjoy it while it lasts. So let's just give it a few more minutes to process this prompt, and let's see what it's going to come up with. Wow, so as you can see, this is the outcome of the prompt we just inputted in. And I think it's really amazing. But for some reasons right here, I don't know why these other columns are blank, right? Maybe it's a glitch on the CapCut application server. But I think this one works just fine. I think I'm pretty satisfied with this image we got right here. Now, if you want to download the image, right, to your laptop or your Windows PC, all you need to do right here is to come to where you have these 3 buttons right here. I'm going to click this, right, and I go to where I have download right here. And of course, the image will be downloaded to your Windows PC. Now, if you watched the video to this point, congratulations, because you just got yourself an amazing bonus tip. So earlier, I talked about sharing something that would enable you to use or to get all of CapCut's Pro features for free. Yeah, so if you look at the comment section, yes, the pinned comment, yes, there's a link there that takes you to a video where I posted on my channel that walks you through the entire process of how you can access all of CapCut's Pro features for free, and it is 100% working. So go ahead, click the link to that video and just follow the process. So thanks for watching. If you found this useful, please like the video, share this video, and of course subscribe to the channel because I share these tips every week. And of course, if you've got questions, don't fear to leave them in the comments section. So thanks for watching. Peace out.